National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a flood warning for Balm County, Greene County, Fayette County, Macoupin County, Jersey County, Montgomery County, until 1 p.m. At 9:56 a.m., Doppler radar showed a solid area of light to moderate rain across the area, which will continue through the remainder of the morning. This rainfall, in addition to continuous runoff from the 3 to 4 inches of rainfall that has fallen since late Friday, will aggravate existing flooding on area creeks, streams, poor drainage areas, and roads which are often subject to minor flooding. A number of secondary roads were closed due to high water. Some locations that will experience flooding include Jerseyville, Vandalia, Greenville, Litchfield, Hillsborough, Carlinville, Staunton, Verdon, Gillespie, Whitehall, Nokomis, Carrollton, Brighton, Girard, Mount Olive, Woodhouse, Bunker Hill, Benilde, St. Elmo, and Greenfield. This also includes Ramsey Lake State Park, Beaver Dam State Park, and Lake Lou Yeager. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Now for